Hello and welcome to another episode of Build, Fix, Eat. Today we are going to be building this kindling splitter. Alright, let's get at it. I'm going to make a template for the axe portion of the kindling splitter. So to strike out the arc from my template, I'm going to use a trammel. This is one I made many years ago. It's quite simple, just scribes a line. I'm going to pick a point here, pick a point here, and I'm going to scribe it. Alright. That mark I scribed in there, I'm just going to run a pen through it so I can see it. Or a pencil. It might come out of the groove, but that's okay. Because when I sand it, I'm gonna sand to the scribe indentation. So. There you have it. Okay, now we're going to put our template on there so we have that round axe type head cutting face. This line right here is where I kind of want to end up. So I have to offset for the head of the plasma cutter. This is a circle, an arc. So as long as I match it up with each corner of this line, it's going to be square. So I'm going to go just like that. And that, so you can just see the edge there and just the edge there. Then when I come through with my plasma cutter, I'll end up right where that line is. That'll give me a nice arc. Alright, let's cut that. Okay, we're going to go prep that surface now for a knife edge. We're going to rough the edge on. We're going to use a 40 grit flapper wheel. We're just going to rough it in. Flip it over and do the same to the other side. Okay, now we're switching to 80 grit. Now to 120. Good and hot, I'm going to hit it with water. You can't necessarily harden low carbon steel. It doesn't have enough carbon in it. But you can case harden it, just the outside. So that's what I've done there. It's not great, but it's definitely harder than the stock material. So once that cools down, then I'm going to dress that edge and we're going to weld her up. Just going to sharpen this up with a stone. Take that burr off. It's pretty sharp. Okay, we're going to fit up the main section of the kindling splitter. I have two pieces of plate here. Which one put together? I'll put this on there. And it actually sits it up at the correct height so that it's in the center of this pipe. And I've gone ahead and I've ground off the mill scale where this is going to weld up. Yeah, welded up. I'm going to stagger them out once again like I normally do. Stops everything from breaking apart. Okay, we're going to go ahead and weld up the base. I beveled both ends so that when I put the weld in there I can get it pretty close to flush. Still have to grind a little bit, but okay. Now we're going to fit this up. Use a magnet to help us out. Okay, it's good. I'm happy with it. I'm going to tack it up. Gonna put some gussets on this now. Just with some stuff I got laying around. Alright, we're gonna fit up the hammer guard that goes on the top of the kindling splitter. I like having a hammer guard because sometimes when you hit the wood, the hammer goes too far. You hit the axe portion of your kindle splitter. Okay, I'm gonna fit this hammer guard on top of the splitter. Okay, we're going to drill a couple holes in the base so we can screw it down to a log or a stump or whatever, wherever we want to put it. I got this perfect log that's been sitting around back that I was going to put an anvil on, but I think the kindling splitter will do. I'm just going to flush it up a bit. All right. Let's screw this down. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. A little sharp. Like that. She works pretty good. Whether you burn wood to heat your home or for barbecuing or maybe both, kindling splitter is really helpful. At night when I load up my wood stove, I always get small splits and I'll jam them between all the logs in the wood stove so the thing's right packed. Keep it burning overnight. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.